Hey YouTube, how y'all doing? Oh my gosh, welcome to my channel, AutumnLeaf Beauty. My name is Autumn, and I'm so excited because this is my very first video. Today I'm just going to be doing a makeup look from my very own brand, AutumnLeaf Beauty. I'm so excited, and I'm going to stop talking so we can get into this video. Before we get into this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Spread the word about AutumnLeaf Beauty, and also follow me on all social media platforms, and go visit my website at www.autumnleafbeauty and check out some of my products. So the palette that I'm using today to accomplish this look is Brilliant Scarlett from my very own collection, AutumnLeaf Beauty. And the colors that I'm using today is Burgundy, Brown, and Shimmery, Light Brown. Now the first thing I'm doing is going in on my crease with the Burgundy. Now I'm taking some brown and going above my crease and blending both colors in. Now it's time to cut my crease. Now I'm adding the light shimmery brown on top of the concealer. Now I'm going in with the burgundy and the brown. I definitely love this look. Now you know I can't forget about the lashes. These lashes come from my very own collection, AutumnLeaf Beauty. And the lashes that I chose to wear with this look is ivory. color is definitely a fave of mine. This color is called Tulip Popular from AutumnLeaf Beauty. Yes, honey, yes, I'm definitely loving this look. And if you want this look, I will list everything in the description below. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Thank you for watching. Again, like, comment, subscribe, and spread the word